Happy Sunday. This is our first day here in Baguio. Welcome back to another travel vlog, by the way. We are going to stay here for 4 days and we are going to attend some Bible conferences. So I'm going to show you where we are staying. We are staying here at GOSHEN Land Courtyard, something. This is how it looks. There, that's the outside, and there's a lot of buildings. It's a condominium. We got it from, I booked it from Airbnb, and I'm gonna show you our room. Here's the room tour. This is our room. We are in the 4th floor. And we got it from Airbnb. We booked it to Airbnb. And the owner is a friend, but it is a 2-bedroom Airbnb. We have a TV. There's a Wi-Fi. And this is a gift. Thank you very much, Kaya Henry and Harry. And we have a work table over there, a couch, a mirror, and a full kitchen. Wait, para makita niyo yung kitchen. Ay, yeah. So there's a stove.
To the next lap, sounding like home to fair.
The light is talking. It's a smart light. Gulat ako dun ah. Anyway, this is my refrigerator. Good enough size. My rice cooker, percolator, water heater, water stove. Let's look at the rooms. Okay, so here's the rooms. Yan. May 3 rooms. Hindi ko pa nakikita actually eh. Oh, so this will be my bedroom, I think. This is a double-deck bed. A closet. Pero lock siya. And then what's this? Oh, a balcony. Kita yung ano namin, oh. Ma! Hi! Nag-balcony pala kami. And then, okay, close ko lang to. Ang lamig dito sa Baguio. Tapos, what's this? Oh, this is the bathroom. Yan, meron namang shower curtain, nice slippers, and the tabo of the Filipinos. My heater. There you go. And then, this is the main bedroom where my parents will stay. So, my towels provided. There you go. Merong closet. Ito pala yung, may mga baso, plates, bowls. Oh, yan yung plates. And then there's condiments since their parents stay here. We also know their parents, so okay lang naman. There's also dishwashing soap. And let's oh, there's the spoons and pots and pans. Yun. Okay. And that's it. So, yan ang aming Airbnb. We're gonna stay here sa Baguio for 4 days, I think. There's a Bible conference and there's a broom. So, that's the room tour of our place here in Baguio. Ooh, may banana. Bakit 2 mangoes lang?
Tatlo tayo.
My cat for apples. Uy, yung ano oh?
Golden melon.
And papaya. Thank you.
Lord, salamat po sa pag-iingat nyo sa pagbiyahe namin kanina. Hindi po sa pag-iingat nyo na patingin ng patiran ng umaga. And Lord, you bless po niyo po Panginoon. At salamat sa pagbigay ng provision physically. We ask your wisdom din po sa aming pag-aaral. Sa lahat ng mga napagsabihan, mag-aaral, tulungan po sila Panginoon. And tulungan niyo din po si Chenda sa kanyang pag-direct bukas. Tulungan po si Pastor Ben sa kanilang nararapat na gawin bukas. give us good rest. At siya po mga karamdaman kayo. Salamat din po sa pag-iwas nyo sa mga virus po. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Ano to? Saan galing?
Binili ko.
Kasi kung kumain muna ng isa.
May isang sali.
Hindi tayo nagdala ng shopping natin.
Wala na.
Meron.
Sino nag-ubos?
Oo, kasi nagbablock na sila. Dadalawa, tatatlo na lang naiwan doon ng isang, ano?